స్వాగతం పలికేస్తున్నాం. Put your hands together for very talented and gorgeous Mrunal Thakur garu to please join the stage.
Hello everyone. Shravanti, you're a fantastic host. Thank you. Venki sir, thank you so much for being here today. And honestly, it just feels surreal to be here. Uh, One more release, decoyed it is, as Saraswati and Juliet. I don't know what is this ritual having two names in every movie. Sita Mahalakshmi, Noor Jahan, Varsha, Yashna, and now here, Saraswati, Juliet. I want to tell you how this film came to me. Uh, like Shaurya Garu mentioned, I would keep calling him, and he's my only friend in the, in the south and in yahan par. So one fine day, he's like, Mrunal Garu, there is my friend DB Dhanush Garu who's shooting this fantastic movie, and I think you should hear this narration. And I was like, really, you think I should do it? He's like, yeah, Mrunalji, please go hear it out because it's really solid. And for the girl, it's a fantastic part. If Shaurya Garu wouldn't have called me, I wouldn't be playing Saraswati today. So thank you so much, Shaurya Garu. Thank you so much, Dhanush, for literally making this happen. And I know the next call was with Supriya Garu, and she said, when can we do the narration? And I said, can we do it tomorrow or day after? And I immediately flew to Hyderabad. And when I did, it took me fractions of seconds to just be on the project, be on the film. There's something so soulful about this film that instantly connected and resonated me with the movie. Shanil Garu is not here, but I would really like to thank Shanil sir for being so calm and so patient. He's wonderful, and it's his debut too. So I'm really hoping that this film gives him all the love, success that he deserves because he's worked really hard. And I hope as Saraswati, I justify and I do justice to the character. Supriya Garu always she'll say Tinnava, and I have just realized this on stage that it's not just me who she's so extremely protective towards, but everyone. She's so caring, and I think it's a blessing to have begun my career with Swapna Garu, who's so solid. I don't know where both the friends, Swapna and Supriya Garu, get so much strength. I think these two girls, I have taken the strength from them and put it in Saraswati. So SSS. Having said that, Shesh Garu, thank you so much for being the best partner in crime. I don't think without you I would be able to loot the heists that we have. But in this case, logo ka dil churayenge hum, and that's what I'm keeping fingers crossed. And Sumantarna, your apology is accepted. I think 2, 3, 4 फिल्में करनी ज़रूरी है because वो जो राम का जो एक है वो एक फिल्म से काफ़ी नहीं है. So I think I should just sign 3 movies right now, back to back, under your banner. But thank you, Venki sir, for being here. It truly, truly means the world to me, and such an honor to be just standing in front of you. And trust me, it really makes me feel special. Sidhu, thank you, Sidhu Garu. Or should I call him Sidhu Boy? Like, his aura, his personality is so much fun, so positive. Thank you for coming here and supporting us, really, and also being my translator. So really, really means the world. Rahul, thank you. I mean, you're the first audience when it comes to this movie. I don't know what I have performed. Whatever I know, it's just Why Are You and 10th April. It's a ritual. I will watch the complete film first day, first show in the theater. And my most favorite, and ever since I have stepped into Telugu cinema, without her, I am incomplete. That's Chinmay Garu. We both just go like hand in hand, and I don't think I will be able to do justice. So thank you for not just being my voice, but for giving me beautiful songs. Rubaru is my go-to. So, and you know I love you. Jonata, welcome. It feels so nice to have such positive and, very talented Jonata. I met her before she shot for the song, and I told her, Jonata, I don't know why, but we're going to make something really special. So thank you for being a part of Decoit. It truly, truly means the world. Beams and Aditya Rikhari. There's this special mention I want to say because Aditya was 19 years old when he entered the industry, started singing. That's the time when I witnessed his songs and I became a big fan. I called him, and just like Hisham, now Aditya is a part of, Hisham was a part of Hai Nana, which I manifested, and now Aditya Rikhari is a part of Decoit. It is also like manifestation and it's come true. So, woohoo for that. Dhanush, you are so fantastic. It's only yesterday I found out this was your first movie. You are so incredibly talented. Also, I feel like the entire vibe on set was so nice and positive. It was just me amongst these boys hanging. I felt like I could bully them, and they truly, truly treated me like a princess. So thank you, DB, for making me look so beautiful and always being that constant friend on set and looking after me. And last but not the least, my entire team, my entire cast and crew, Lochantai, Deepu, Ankita, thank you. I love you. Thank you, Neha. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Princess Noorjahan. We love you. We love you so much.
Thank you, Ji.
ఎస్ సో ఇప్పటి వరకు శ్రీరామ్ చంద్ర గారు పాడినటువంటి తెలుగు వర్షన్